Hello, welcome to this video. But first, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Today we are going to see very basic introduction of Magix Vegas Pro 15. Please leave us feedback to improve our next video in future. Vegas Pro 15 is one of the best professional video editing software, which can be used to create slow-motion videos, channel intros, customized videos, outstanding slideshows, and professional video effects. Now let's start by opening Vegas Pro 15. The whole workspace opens, divided into two main parts. The upper side you have several useful windows, such as media generators, project media, explorer, transitions, video FX, video preview, trimmer and master bus. At the bottom side of workspace you have the project timeline, and this is where you work on your project and managed videos. Inside timeline there are several audio and video tracks, to manage video and audio files. You can quickly insert a new video or audio track by right-clicking and then click Insert Video or Audio Track. In video tracks you can manage videos, photos as well as text. And in audio tracks you can manage music, speech and recordings. You can also quickly remove a video or audio track by just right-clicking on a track and then click on Delete Track. To add media on a track, just go to File in upper left corner and then click Open and choose video or image which you want to add. To cut and copy the clip, just right-click on the clip and then select Cut or Copy and paste where you want. To stretch or shorten a clip through time can be done by click and drag the edges of clip. This can be done on pictures without any problem. Another important feature is Event Pan and Crop, which is used to set the basic appearance of clip, by moving, scaling, and sizing the rectangular. You can also zoom a clip or crop as you like. If you make any mistake you can use Ctrl-Z to undo the latest action. You can also use the Undo and Redo button in the top left corner. To get a preview of your customized video you have to use the Video Preview window in the top right corner of Vegas Pro. You can use Enter key to quickly start or stop the player. Click right above the timeline to fix the playhead where you like in order to preview the project on that point. You can also click and drag the gray marker forward and backward to move the playhead. Above the Video Preview button you have some useful buttons like Project Properties, to regulate the resolution and frame rate of the video. Consider these settings will affect just the preview and not the final video you are going to render. You can use the second button to preview the video on external monitor or full screen mode if you are not using second monitor. You can use the Preview Quality button to regulate the preview quality. The higher the quality, the slower the preview may become. You can use the Snapshot button to take snapshot of selected image. You can use the last button to export the actual video frame as an image. Now take a look at these windows. But first, if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more advanced Vegas Pro tutorials in the future. Project Media. All files imported inside the timeline are listed inside the Project Media window. Media Generators. From Media Generators window you can customize your video like adding title and text, and in the end of the video you can add credit roll from Media Generator window. Video FX. From Video FX window you can use different visual effects to make your video or image perfect. You can add effect on your video by just dragging an effect and drop on your video or image. Transitions. The transition window collects several visual transitions with different effects which you can be used on images or videos. Explorer. You can also drag and drop files by browsing inside the Explorer window. With Vegas Pro you can also record audio with your microphone. To start recording, just click on the record button at the bottom and choose where to save your recording. You can save your Vegas project by going to File and then Save As. In this way you will save your project as a VEG file, in order to be able to open it later and change anything inside. The last thing, if you want to export the final video which you created, you have to render it. You can render your video by going to File and then Render As. In the new window choose the video or audio format on the left side and choose Resolution Template on the right side. And then set the destination folder and file name at the bottom and then click on Render. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, subscribe our channel to learn more useful and advanced features of Vegas Pro in future. Share it with your friends. And the last thing, don't forget to leave us feedback to improve our next video for Vegas Pro 15.